Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nilu's Magic. The festive season is here and festivity without biryani is just incomplete. My recipe today is chicken biryani. The ingredients which we need for chicken biryani are chicken. I have taken a whole chicken cut into 4 pieces. It's around 700 grams. Potatoes, I have taken 4 potatoes which I have cut into 2 halves. They are already boiled with little salt. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili and the masala, biryani masala. As I have taken half kilo of rice, so I have taken nutmeg half, mace a little clove, cinnamon, cardamom, white pepper, sugar 1 tablespoon, meetha atar 1 cup of milk, 2 onions fried, 1/2 cup of curd, half kilo of rice, kevra and rose water. We will dry roast these ingredients, the garam masala, and make a fine powder out of it. Our biryani masala is ready. Time to marinate the chicken. We will first add the curd, then goes the ginger garlic paste, then the red chili powder, salt. Mix it well and marinate it for 2 to 3 hours. Now in a pan, take 4 to 5 tablespoons of refined oil. Add the chicken. The chicken will be half cooked, and the reason behind it is that the chicken have the tendency to cook fast, and if we completely do the cooking now, then when the biryani goes for dum, the chicken will have the tendency to break and mix with the rice. The chicken is half done. Now add little fried onions to it and a half teaspoon of the biryani masala. Now it is time to cook the rice. The water is boiling. To it we will add a little cardamom and clove and a little salt. Then to it we will add the rice. The rice will be half done because the rest of the cooking will be done when the biryani will go for dum. Our rice is half done. Now we are going to drain it. Now we will take the milk. To it we'll add a little salt, the biryani masala, a pinch of saffron color, sugar, 2 drops of meetha atar, rose water 1 tablespoon, kevra water 1 tablespoon. It's time to assemble the biryani. First goes little oil, refined oil. Then goes a layer of rice. Then the potatoes. Then goes the chicken. Now we will sprinkle little milk mixture. Then goes the final layer of rice. Then we will use the oil of the chicken on top. And then the rest of the milk mixture, milk and masala mixture. Next we'll sprinkle little fried onions. Cover it and it will go for dum for half an hour. For dum, switch on the gas, place a tawa on it and then place the biryani handi on top of it. We do indirect heating so that the biryani does not get burnt from the bottom. After dum is complete, do not disturb the handi for another 20 to 25 minutes. Our chicken biryani is ready to serve.